Good evening, everyone. I hope everyone is here right now for a very beautiful session. And we are just about to begin the session in the next 2 minutes. I think सभी लोग यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं और काफ़ी लोग अब लाइव आने लग गए हैं. Monty is already here. Good evening, Monty. How are you? And soon we are going to join in with a lot of people. Hi Suju, Shinchore, hi, how are you? So, a very good evening everyone, and here we begin with our very first session of a very new series. Hi Akash, thank you for joining in. Hi Jitu, hi Ruchir. It's so good. Hi Kalpesh, कैसे हो आप? I hope Kalpesh you're done with a very good thing that we were talking about. Hi Tamanna, good to see you. So lot of people joining in, and the timing was 7:45, and I think as usual in Indian Standard Time से मैं 2 minute late हूँ, but no worries, we are all set here. Jitupaji, yeah. So a very good evening everyone, and as usual, as I always ask you all, that you must be doing fit, fantastic and fabulous. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to join in live right now with my new series, that is It's My Story, What's Yours. So ये बहुत ही thank you Monty, thank you Vishaka, thank you. We have to be on time here. So let's go on with the session now. हमारा host and दोस्त. So the session पहली बात तो कि ये एक सीरीज़ है which I'm starting off. It's my story. A lot of times people ask me when I go for shows and events कि आप क्या करते हो सर, आप ये फील्ड में कैसे आए, क्या किया आपने, and all the history that we have to repeat and we have to tell people. But it's so good to share everything about your struggles, about how did you made it up and things. So मैंने सोचा क्यों ना इसे एक स्टोरी में, एक सीरीज में कन्वर्ट किया जाए, because over there are a lot of people जिनसे मैं खुद मोटिवेशन लेता हूँ. They have done fabulously good in their own lives, in their own field, and बहुत successful है, बहुत नाम है और बहुत कुछ हम लोग सुनते हैं उनके बारे में. So I thought, why not take it into a series? So today we start off with the first session. It's Saturday, and I thought एक बहुत ही प्यारा दिन है to start off. Hi Priyanka, thank you for being here online. So जितने यहाँ पे आए हैं उनमें से काफ़ी लोग जानते हैं कि एक स्टोरी बहुत ही स्ट्रगल वाला रहता है to reach at wherever you are. But I would just like to start off with my story right now, because I think a lot of people are here and they would not know, rather I would say they would know who Rohan Mehta is, but I always say who Rohan Mehta is. Not a lot of people know. So my story begins from, I would say, in the year 1999. It's long back. काफ़ी मेरे दोस्त हैं जो ऑनलाइन आएंगे और अभी भी जो है वो जानते हैं कि I always wanted to become an actor. I wanted to become an actor, and होता है कि बम्बई जाना है, ऑडिशंस देना है, we are good looking. यार मेरे को सब बोलते कि बहुत good looking है, and चलो चलते हैं. So आ जाता है थोड़ा सा. I was 19 years old. So काफ़ी लोगों से मैंने पूछताछ की, जैसे आजकल लोग पूछते हैं, मुझे पूछते हैं कि कैसे करना है, क्या काम करना है. So there were not a lot of people who were guiding us right, but there were a lot of people who was guiding us in a very right way also. So जबकि मुझे पता चला कि ऑडिशंस देना होता है, पोर्टफोलियो बनाना होता है, तो कैसे करना है वो एक प्रोसीजर था. एंड फॉर्चुनेटली एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम हमारे नासिक में एक डांस इंस्टीट्यूट खुला था, तो आई जॉइंड इनटू द डांस इंस्टीट्यूट, and I became a dancer, I became an instructor, काफ़ी शोज़ किए, काफ़ी ट्रैवल किया, काफ़ी स्ट्रगल किया, बट नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल नो दिस and I'm very proud enough to say this. I worked as an insurance advisor. I'm still working as an insurance advisor. I worked with a cockroach repellent company, that is a pesticide ka company. I started working with the pesticide company. Then I worked with the famous brand known as the United Colors of Benetton, UCB. उनके साथ मैंने एक छोटा सा जॉब शुरू किया था. दैट वाज 11th and 12th के समर वेकेशंस में आई यूज्ड टू डू इट. दैट वाज अ सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव. सो अभी भी जब मैं कपड़े खरीदने जाता हूँ तो आई रियली बिहेव प्रॉपर्ली विद देम, बिकॉज आई नो कितनी मेहनत मशक्क़त लगती है वो काम में. देन आई वेंट टू मुंबई. I started working with a call center. I was working for US mortgage processors and उसके बाद रात का शिफ्ट होता था, तो रात को वहाँ पे US processors में काम कीजिए, सुबह आपको तैयार होके ऑडिशंस देना है. And then fortunately things started working on. Thank you for all the lovely hearts. And I used to stay in Vashi. I used to stay in Vashi. कोपर खैरने करके एक जगह है, काफ़ी लोग जानते होंगे. न्यू मुंबई में कोपर खैरने इज़ अ प्लेस where I used to stay and बहुत मज़ा किया है वहाँ पे रह के. But as I said, ये सब तो है, but fortunately मुझे एक चांस मिला and वो चांस के बाद मैं थोड़ा आगे बढ़ा. बट ये स्टोरी मैं आपको नेक्स्ट सेशन में बताऊंगा कि कौन सा चांस मिला, क्या किया, कहाँ से मैं कहाँ गया, मैंने क्या काम किया. बिकॉज टुडे आई एम फॉर्चुनेट इनफ टू स्टार्ट माई दिस सीरीज ऑफ इट्स माई स्टोरी व्हाट्स योर्स. ये सीरीज़ का पहला एपिसोड विद अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट एंड आई विल टेल यू व्हाई स्पेशल. उसके रीजंस बहुत है, बट उनका पूरा जब सेशन ख़त्म होगा उसके बाद मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि क्या स्पेशल है उस इंसान के लिए जो आज मेरे पहले गेस्ट है. सो वी हैव अ स्पेशल गेस्ट ओवर हियर, दैट्स प्रियंका अहलूवालिया. आई वुड लाइक प्रियंका टू प्लीज कम ऑनलाइन विथ मी एंड वी ऑल आर वेटिंग टू गेट इन कनेक्शन विथ यू. सो इज प्रियंका हियर? Yeah, so Priyanka is, I think, over here. Yep. Thank you, Priyanka. And yeah, so I think Priyanka is on with us in the session.
Hello, Priyanka. How are you?
I'm good. आप कैसे हो?
मैं एकदम बढ़िया, पहले जैसे था वैसे ही, एकदम सुपर्ब, रॉकिंग और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग इन फॉर दिस सेशन. सो प्रियंका, एज यू नो, इट्स माय स्टोरी. व्हाट्स योर्स?
Yes.
So let me introduce firstly प्रियंका को मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना चाहूँगा सभी लोगों से जो यहाँ पे ज्वाइन इन हुए हैं एट दिस आवर. Priyanka is a lovely Zumba instructor. Firstly, Priyanka has been into the fitness industry since the last 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Oh God, 4 years. और 4 साल से वो इस इंडस्ट्री में बहुत लोगों को ट्रेन कर चुके हैं. एंड खास बात अब मैं बोलना चाहूँगा वो ये है कि प्रियंका गॉट अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल डॉटर. शी इज जस्ट 2 years old नाउ. अभी उसका बर्थडे था कुछ दिन पहले. एंड प्रियंका के ऊपर रब की मेहरबानी है, इसलिए उस बच्ची का नाम मेहर है. एंड प्रियंका इज हियर, राइट प्रियंका? So you're all set to share your story. So Priyanka, I just wanted to know firstly, जैसे हम लोग इंडस्ट्री में आते हैं या कोई भी काम हम लोग करते हैं, so you know काफी लोग होते हैं कुछ बोलने वाले के ठीक नहीं है, अच्छा नहीं है, ये नहीं है, फलाना ढिमकाना, उन सबको हम लोग साइड में रखेंगे. उनकी हमको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. हमें ज़रूरत है आपकी स्टोरी जानने के लिए. और why did you come into the fitness industry is my first question and everyone wants to know this.
So it is, you can say it's a long story which I will be sharing why I came to the fitness field. तो पहले तो आई विल जस्ट गिव अ डिस्क्रिप्शन कि मैं कहाँ से हूँ. सो आई एम बेसिकली फ्रॉम
Yeah.
मुंबई. From past 8 to 9 years, I got shifted in Nasik. And नासिक में आके तो मैंने थोड़ा अपना वहाँ पे आई वॉज लीन, थोड़ा सा बॉडी वॉज ओके, बट आफ्टर शिफ्टिंग हियर मैंने अपना खाने पीने का ध्यान नहीं दिया. सो आई गेन अ लॉट ऑफ वेट and weight put on kiya. Then I was having physically problems, many problems I was facing through. तो मैंने बोला कि लेट्स स्टार्ट जिमिंग एंड ऑल. तो मैंने जिम ज्वाइन किया था. देन मैंने डाइट किया. देन आई डिड मेनी थिंग्स. सो कॉलेज वगैरह खत्म हो गया. आई गॉट मैरिड. Then after marriage, what happened? So I was facing problem in conceiving. क्योंकि डॉक्टर वाज सेइंग कि यू आर वेरी ओवरवेट, कंसीव करना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट एंड यू शुड पहले लूज सम वेट एंड देन यू शुड कंसीव. तो मैंने बोला दिस इज द टाइम कि आई हैव टू स्टार्ट समथिंग, कि अभी तो बहुत खा लिया, बहुत सब मजे कर लिए, नाउ इट्स द टाइम टू स्टार्ट. सो बिकॉज आई वॉज कंसीविंग, मतलब मैं ट्राई कर रही थी कंसीव करने का. आई हैड अ मिसकैरेज. तो वो मिसकैरेज वॉज वेरी डिप्रेसिंग फॉर मी. मतलब
Wow.
मैंने उस टाइम से आई डिसाइडेड कि नहीं, दिस इज इट, आई डोंट वांट टू प्ले विथ माय लाइफ. एंड आई स्टार्टेड दिस थिंग, व्हाट वी से, पूरा वर्कआउट वगैरह आई स्टार्टेड डेडिकेटली. आई स्टार्टेड हैविंग हेल्दी थिंग्स. जंक पूरा टोटली बंद किया. आई लिटरली लॉस्ट 30 kgs ऑफ माय वेट. एंड
30.
yeah, before Meher, this is before Meher. So I
Okay.
lost 30 kgs and it was around August. It was
Okay, so
hello. I'm so sorry.
yeah, so Monty is there. He's already said it that he has seen a lot of transformation of Priyanka. Yes, we all have seen it, Monty, but main cheese back, and now she's a trainer. That's a wonderful thing. And a lot of people go around with a lot of struggles, but they're still here. Yeah, Priyanka, you're back. Yep. So tell me. So what was there after when you जब conceive हो गया, so there might be a lot of problems that you must be seeing or facing. Hello? 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 Is everyone facing the same problem that you can't hear me? Rejoin. 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 Get an invite again. Yeah. So as we see, it's a lot of struggle for everyone. ये खास ये concept ये series start करने का actual focus यही था that people when you are there, when you are doing a lot of good things, people come, people try to connect to you, but nobody knows the actual struggle कि आप वहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचे हैं. There are lot of struggles that a person goes through. Yeah, Monica, Priyanka is coming back. I think there's a bit of a network issue, and she might just give an invite again. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you, Savita, to join in. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Yuga. Yeah, so the entire concept of the series is to join in and to talk to people about their way of the entire struggle and really get inspired by what they have done. I would just try to get Priyanka back. Thanks, Monty. Yeah, so she is getting connected back. I think there's a net. Exactly, Monty, there's a lot of net issue. So, koi nahi, as I'll go ahead with it. Yeah, she's here. Priyanka is here.
I'm so sorry. I
No
tried,
problem. It's not.
it was giving some
It's
issue.
not your problem. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, Priyanka. So you joined in, and I was asking you. You might have really faced a lot of issues after conceiving and putting on a lot of weight, because जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ, जब हम fitness training में जाते हैं, a lot of things come to your ear that खुद weight ज़्यादा है तो workout कैसे करवाते हैं. So what were your ups and downs in that period?
When I got conceived, मैंने सब चीजें साइड में रख दी because it was like a gift for me. I already had a miscarriage and I was really expecting कि मुझे conceive हो, and God gave me a gift, so that was very precious for me. तो वो 9 months निकल गए and it was उसमें भी मैंने काफ़ी difficulties face किया, and I was on saline for last 2 months, total saline because of the water drop. बेबी को आई डोंट नो, बेबी को वाटर प्रॉपरली ऑक्सीजन नहीं जा रहा था, प्रॉपर ब्लड नहीं जा रहा था, तो फुल लास्ट 2 months आई वाज ऑन सलाइन. देन व्हेन शी डिलीवर्ड, सो मुझे डॉक्टर ने बोला था मे भी उसको NICU में रखना पड़ सकता है बिकॉज देर आर चांसेस कि शी मस्ट बी हैविंग प्रॉब्लम इन ब्रीदिंग वगैरह में, उसको प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. बट लकीली शी वाज विथ मी, एंड एंड में ये पता चला कि आई वाज हैविंग ट्यूमर इन माय प्लेसेंटा. तो इसलिए इतने कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आई फेस थ्रू आउट माय प्रेगनेंसी.
I mean, I really need to say this. You had a tumor in your placenta.
Yeah.
Yeah, so a lot of people who are here, who are not from the industry, fitness industry, I would say, but placenta is an organ that is developed during pregnancy, which takes care of the kid. And you had a tumor there. You had a tumor there.
Yeah. It was, it should be red. It was full white. When it came out, it was full white. It should be red, actually. So luckily my baby was like saved. I literally thank God, and it was like you can't believe matlab operation was going on and I was just crying. I was in the burst of cry. 9 months I literally controlled my feelings ki which things I was going through, but I kept myself strong for my baby because even it is said कि अगर mother is crying और mother is upset, so baby को वो समझ में आता है when baby is inside.
Yeah,
So you
yeah,
have to
yeah.
keep yourself strong कि it shouldn't be affect. वो बोलते हैं ना sad hormones या stress hormones baby तक नहीं जाने चाहिए. So I kept
Right.
myself strong for पूरा 9 months. And then when she was out, I was like burst in cry, and it was an amazing feeling.
Superb, yeah, superb, superb. And God bless her. She's really cute. I see a lot of pictures. And just to tell everyone, a lot of times जब प्रियंका क्लास लेते हैं तो मेहर भी वहाँ पे आ जाती है. तो मे बी हम
Yes.
लोग बहुत ही जल्द एक किड्स का जुम्बा बैच देखने वाला है जहाँ पे मेहर विल बी टेकिंग अ क्लास, राइट? So
Even
tell me, Priyanka, one more thing I wanted to ask you is, how did you study this? I mean, getting married, taking care of the entire household,
yes.
and then getting pregnant, being a mother. It's a, we as a guy, I can't say a lot of things, but I mean, you need to just say how it happened.
It is just, I can say you one thing, just due to my support of my husband and my mother-in-law. They really, whatever I have done till now date, like you can say Zumba training or dance or fitness field, they have supported in each and everything, and it wouldn't be possible without them. And even my mom, dad, even they were there with me, like you go ahead, what you are doing, it's amazing, you go ahead. Like all these people जो मेरे साथ थे, they trusted me कि मैं कर सकती हूँ कुछ आगे. So बहुत बड़ा motivation था ये मेरे लिए कि my parents, my husband, my mother-in-law and my kid, she is really, बोलते ना कि she motivates me a lot. Mama, let's do sport. She says literally these things, and I've shared also everywhere. She says,
Yeah.
Mama, we'll do squat, huh? Like, she will give counts also. Like, she will say 1, Mama, 2, Mama, 3. And I get like, she's just 2 years.
Super.
I
So
get
yeah, Priyanka, I just saw a message from Karan.
Yeah.
And that's Priyanka's husband over here, and he has given all the credit to Priyanka to be very strong. Karan, we all are proud of her, and thank you, Karan, thank you, Auntie, that you have supported her so well. But now, Priyanka, there are a lot of ladies out there. There are a lot of ladies, girls, I would say, ladies, females, who keep on saying, because when I used to take classes, मुझे काफी आता था, सर आपको क्या पता हमारे घर में क्या होता है, हम क्लास के लिए नहीं आ पाते. तो is there anything like this, because you're a mother, you're a wife?
Yes. Actually, I feel कि we understand our responsibilities towards my husband, towards my daughter, towards my mother-in-law, towards my parents or relatives, everyone. So we have to manage everything. See, firstly, you have to
Yeah.
put your health as a priority. अगर आपका हेल्थ ही प्रायोरिटी नहीं रखोगे तो आप फैमिली का हेल्थ का कैसे ध्यान दोगे? सो आई
True
थिंक
that.
लाइक दैट. And मतलब my daily schedule is like कि I sleep at night early and morning jaldi उठती हूँ so that I can manage my classes, manage my housework, manage my kid, and उसके साथ time spend करना.
It's difficult, yeah. It's difficult, yeah. So, yeah, that's the story that we are hearing, and it's really, inspirational. And being a guy, definitely we won't understand a lot of things, what a girl goes through from the entire process. So that's great. Yeah, Priyanka, please carry on. So can Priyanka hear me? Yes, Priyanka, I can hear you. Yeah. Tell me.
So yes, after post-pregnancy, I was very depressed by my body. Like everything is saggy, which was I became fit. मतलब मैंने 30 kg जब lose किया था, then again I was like पूरा बोलते ना starting से from zero I have to start again all over. ऐसा हो गया था. But then when my daughter was 2 months, so I was like कि now it's the time I have to start working out. So मैंने बहुत जिम वगैरह किया. मतलब पहले तो initially I started with a very low intensity, just the cardio, because you need to understand your body. एकदम सब you don't
Right.
have to rush. कि अभी एकदम 1 महीने में 7-8 किलो कम करना है या ऐसे. You have to understand your body. baby is connected to me. There are like you are the baby is all पूरा मुझ पे मेरे ऊपर dependent है. So you have to see on your
Hmm.
nutrition as well. Like ऐसा नहीं कि baby हो गया and पूरा crash dieting वापस चालू कर लिया. पूरा workout hardcore workout start कर लिया. You need to understand your body. एकदम slow and steady you have to go. So मैंने low intensity का थोड़ा सा cardio, थोड़ा सा workout I started. And with the baby को भी proper nutrition जाए ऐसा I was having. So वो करते करते I reduced. I was like after my daughter I was 91 and today
Yeah.
today I'm 68. I literally I dropped around 20 to 25 kgs again.
That's
So
awesome.
So it was like कि you should be अभी तो केस ऐसा चल रहा है कि you should have to keep your health as a priority because
Yep.
बोलते हैं कि घर
Yep.
पे बैठे बैठे जंक खा लो या ये कर. I want people कि सिर्फ दिन में 1 घंटा निकाले for themselves. अभी हम लोग कितने घंटे तो मोबाइल पे टाइम पास कर लेते हैं कितना तो instead of that you should give time to your body. So वो
Yeah.
that is very Firstly, workout gives you good blood circulation. It gives you good metabolism. It gives you good digestion. Everything, each and everything. जो इतने problems लोग face कर रहे हैं, not good immunity, not this, and we say कि हम लोग बोलते हैं ना minute चीजों पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. Our sleeping pattern,
जी.
our nutrition, workout.
Yep.
So ये सब चीजें combine करके ही you get a good lifestyle. So
But Priyanka, how many classes in a day are you taking? Because अभी तो सारा online ही है. I think you are taking online classes. So how many classes you're taking a day?
morning.
Yeah,
and
she's
evening
definitely an inspiration and fitness icon. Yeah, that she is. She is. Yeah. So yeah. Tell me, how many classes?
So 2 batches I'm taking and PTs वगैरह रहते हैं. So जिनको अगर सिर्फ अकेले करना है just the PT, so वो timings we can manage according to the
Okay.
class. Yeah.
So morning and evening, one batch, or only morning? I mean, how is it segregated? Morning and evening.
Both.
Morning and evening. And so that is a complete Zumba batch, right?
Not Zumba. It includes
Okay.
workout, includes high intensity. Many other workouts are there. Pilates and Zumba is just 1 or 2 days a week. But it
Okay.
includes the strength training as well.
Superb, yeah. And और बताइए, I mean, what is your educational qualification, Priyanka? I mean,
I have-
because a lot of I want to ask you this because क्या होता है कि जैसे मैंने कॉमर्स फील्ड से मैं आया हूँ और जब मैं एंकरिंग या एक्टिंग या इसमें जाता हूँ तो मुझे कभी कभार पहले पूछते थे, अब तो पूछते भी नहीं है कि आर्ट्स करना था ना, कॉमर्स क्यों किया. तो ये फील्ड भी चेंज हो जाता है. तो व्हाट वाज योर फील्ड? I wanted to know.
I'm from commerce. Like even I have
Aji.
done, same field.
Very good. Okay, great. So commerce students are really good, okay? So
Yes.
don't keep on saying that commerce students are not good. No, every field is good, and this is so good that you was this. I wanted to ask you this also. I've written this question for you. Was this your focus in life to become a fitness trainer? A trainer into fitness field, yeah, workouts, yeah. What do you wanted to do, and what are you doing? How did it work out?
Actually, I wanted to become a designer. This no one knows. This no one knows actually. मतलब मुझे बचपन से बहुत शौक था आर्ट एंड क्राफ्टिंग एंड दीज थिंग्स. आई लिटरली डू नाउ आल्सो पेंटिंग्स एंड ऑल.
Okay.
किसी को भी मतलब सिर्फ फैमिली मेंबर्स को पता है. So I was like कि चलो we'll go ahead in these things, designer करना and clothes and मेरे को बहुत, क्योंकि even my dad was having business of clothing and everything. So हम लोग बचपन से वही करते आए हैं and I was having interest in that. तो मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, but dad was like कि क्या इसमें what you will earn, कितना you will earn कपड़े का. And this was like ये बात है कुछ 8 to 9 years पहले किया. So he was like, don't do this, go into finance and do this thing, graduation in commerce and everything, and go for the bank work and bank mein job do एंड ये सब मैंने सोचा था. मेरा लिटरली था ही नहीं ड्रीम कि आई विल बिकम गो इनटू द फिटनेस फील्ड.
But I really need to cut you here, but you're already a designer right now. Also, you're designing bodies.
Oh my god, true.
है ना? You're still designing bodies and you're giving the perfect bodies to people whomsoever they wanted. भाई ऐसा चाहिए था, 2 महीने में मुझे 5 किलो कम करना है. So you're still working on it, right? So you're still a designer. You have completed your dream of becoming a designer. So there's a question from Monty over here. What kind of comments people passed at you when you were heavier and now? Now the Monty, she's got all these fan following over here, huh?
Yes, yes. I will love to share each and everything. I'm not shy in sharing that comments. So
Yeah,
when
yeah.
I got delivered, so many people जो मेरे close थे, they know I got delivered 2 months back, and I started my Zumba batches, my workout batches after my delivery of 2 months. So
Okay.
there were some people used to say me, अरे इसको देखा है क्या? इसको फिटनेस का एफ भी पता है क्या? इतना ह्यूज होके शी इज टेकिंग वर्कआउट. And I was like, oh, it takes a balls to give birth. You don't know, guy. And it was like कि मेरे लिए that was a motivating thing, you know. मतलब मैं आज उन लोगों को थैंक्स करना चाहूंगी जिन्होंने ऐसा बोला है. मैं उन लोगों को थैंकफुल होना चाहूंगी कि उनके वजह से आज मैं कम कर पाई अपने आप को.
अरे यही लोग हमारे मोटिवेशन के फैक्टर्स होते हैं, यही लोग होते हैं. एंड there is one more Rajat Pardesi who's asking how you keep yourself. She's your client. How do you keep yourself motivated?
She's my good friend and then she's a client.
Yeah, so you have to answer your good friend. How do you keep yourself motivated?
See, I feel कि this is all due to बोलते ना कि जब मैंने ये सब स्टार्ट किया था after my delivery, so बहुत लोगों ने कमेंट्स पास किए थे, इसको तो आता नहीं, अरे ये क्या कर रही है, ये वीडियो ऐसे थोड़ी बनाती है, एक्सरसाइज ऐसे थोड़ी करते हैं, ये वैसे थोड़ी करते हैं. मैंने बोला ओके ओके, आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग, यू नो एवरीथिंग. ऐसा. तो वो सब पता है क्या, आई डोंट वांट टू से एनीथिंग. यू हैव हर्ड लाइन कि एक्शन स्पीक्स लाउडर देन वर्ड. तो आई डोंट वांट टू यू नो, मेरे को ऐसा प्रूव करना था कि आई कैन प्रूव यू बाय माय एक्शन, नॉट माय वर्ड्स. तो आई होप दैट
That's so nice. Yeah. You have proved and you are still proving and you will go a long way. We all know this. एंड ऐसे भी बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिनको बहुत कुछ पता होता है, इसलिए मैं काफ़ी लोगों से सजेशंस नहीं लेता हूँ, बिकॉज इतने इंटेलिजेंट लोग आसपास है ना, तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. आई गो विथ माई ओन पेस.
आई वुड से कि जैसे कि रोड पे स्पीड ब्रेकर्स होते हैं, सो वी टेक केयर कि धीरे चलाना है, वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवरसेल्फ. तो वैसे ही लाइफ में स्पीड ब्रेकर्स आर नेसेसरी टू गेट मोटिवेटेड मोर.
Superb. So Priyanka, tell me, what would you like to tell people? Anu Baveja is saying she's an inspiration. Yes, Anu, she is. Thank you so much for joining in firstly. And what would you tell people when they are feeling low?
See, when you are low, see आजकल जो बोलते ना कि सराउंडिंग ऐसा चल रहा है कि इसको कोविड हो गया है, उसको वी हैव लॉस्ट आवर लव्ड वंस टू. एंड बोलते कि सी दिस इज अ लाइफ, स्ट्रेस आना इज लाइक बोलते ना, उसको रोक नहीं सकते वो चीज को. आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट एट द एंड मैंने जैसे पहले भी बोला कि हेल्थ शुड बी योर प्रायोरिटी, बिकॉज यू हैव टू थिंक कि हमारे आसपास जिनको हमारी जरूरत है, कि अगर हम अपने हेल्थ पे अफेक्ट करेंगे तो उनको भी हमारी जरूरत है, उनको क्या वो चीज का अफेक्ट होगा. सो यू हैव टू, मतलब कैसा है कि बोलते ना, एक स्ट्रेस जब आप वर्कआउट करते हो तो गुड हार्मोन्स रिलीज होते हैं एंड स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स लो डाउन होते हैं एंड विद अ गुड मेटाबॉलिज्म. तो मैंने बोला वर्कआउट इज नेसेसरी, सो ये सब चीजें दूर हो जाएगी. सो यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड व्हाट यू हैव टू अचीव, व्हाट यू आर. कि स्ट्रेस वगैरह सब बाजू में रख दो, बी हैप्पी, be with your family, stay fit and stay healthy, nothing else. I to think like that, matlab you have to be selfish for your health.
You have to be. I think that's the best thing. I keep on saying this to everyone. Be selfie कम लो और selfish ज़्यादा हो जाओ workout को लेके. बाकी कोई चीजों को नहीं. सेल्फी बाद में ले लेना बिकॉज यू गाइज ऑलरेडी लुक ब्यूटिफुल. एंड इतनी देर बाद मेरे लिए एक कमेंट आया है जो जिया ने मेरे लिए भेजा है. भैया इन वाइट यू लुक गुड. थैंक यू जिया, आई लव यू सो मच. And yeah, there is one more comment that is, she's a darling. I met her when I went for sonography during my pregnancy.
Yes.
Good to see her back in action. और सबसे प्यारा कमेंट मुझे जो लगा है आपके लिए प्रियंका, वो हमारे डीजे जीतू जी ने भेजा है. रोहन, नाउ she also should play तेरा बाप आया song in all her fitness video.
No one to be ka baap and everything. I don't want to compete with others. You have to just focus on your thing. You have to go वहाँ पे बस, nothing else.
Yeah, exactly. See, the entire session here that we have started, I have started keeping in this thing in mind is, we all know Priyanka. जैसे मैं आपको करीब 1 साल से जानता हूँ, ज़्यादा तो I think ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं हुआ है. I know a lot of people over here who are online and who are in contact. But actually अगर हम देखा जाए तो हम उन्हें नहीं जानते. बिकॉज वो कौन से स्ट्रगल से आए हैं, आप कौन से स्ट्रगल से आए हो, मैं कौन से स्ट्रगल से आया हूँ. पीपल डू नॉट नो. सो दिस सेशन इज टू आस्क एंड कम एंड कम्युनिकेट टू आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड टेल देम व्हाट इज योर स्ट्रगल ऑफ लाइफ.
True.
Yeah, you have to see and respect everyone's struggle because everyone is going through something or the other. And being into that kind of a medical problem that you have faced during your pregnancy, hats off Priyanka, you have done a great job. You will keep rocking. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. Now we have next 5 minutes. If anyone wants to ask any question to Priyanka, so they are always welcome. We are here. And sir, it's amazing to see doing such great work during this time to keep people motivating. Thank you so much. Thank you. Great work, Priya Didi. Priya Didi. Okay, or I think motivation is more important than competition. Please keep motivating. Anu Baveja ji, यहाँ पे कोई competition नहीं है. यहाँ सबको healthy रहना है. No competition. And Priyanka, keep motivating. A great effort by you, Ron. Thank you, Monty. Thank you very much. And yeah, in the beginning, yeah, who is your motivation, Priyanka? There is a question. Who is your motivation?
I can say I actually, मतलब मेरा कोई ऐसा आइडल नहीं है कि मुझे उसके जैसे ही बनना है या उसके जैसे ही होना है. I have to make my things. I want people to know, yes, she is Priyanka. I don't want कि हाँ अरे इसके जैसे बॉडी बनानी है या उसके जैसे बॉडी बनानी है. So I keep on motivating myself. I am not getting any motivations किधर से यहाँ से वहाँ से. So
you're like a self-motivated person.
Yes, I want to motivate others. Women out there जो बोलते हैं कि यार ये मैनेज नहीं हो रहा है, घर का काम मैनेज नहीं हो रहा है, ये नहीं. You can manage anything. You are the boss of everything. You can manage each and everything. Like I am managing my child, my housework, my family.
True. Yeah, absolutely true, Priyanka.
Yeah.
And I think everyone who is now after Priyanka's session, if you're looking out for fitness as one thing, let me be very clear. Guys. Fitness is not only your body, not only your aura, not only how do you walk, how do you look good, but the first of all, fitness starts here. Your mental fitness. So as Priyanka said, if you want to do something, you can definitely do it. Okay, so Karan, Priyanka, supposedly your idol should be yourself in 5 years. 5 years नहीं Karan, अभी से है वो अपने idol. नासिक आइडल में शुरू करने वाला हूँ. अब यहाँ पे और एक क्वेश्चन आया. She always keeps on motivating. Yes. And what fears you the most? That can't be shared.
It is nothing like that. I have not gone through. मैंने अपने आप को बहुत हैप्पी रखा है, सो मेरे को ये कभी क्वेश्चन आया ही नहीं है दिमाग में कि मुझे किसी चीज से,
Fantastic. Super.
बट आई डू गेट स्केयर, मतलब हॉरर मूवी से मुझे बहुत स्केयर लगता है, दैट्स इट, और कुछ नहीं है, नथिंग लाइक।
So आज तो हम लोग आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे, but all the people online, if you have Priyanka's number, if you're on with Priyanka on क्या बोलते हैं, इंस्टा या फेसबुक, प्लीज गिव ऑल दी हॉरर पिक्चर का लिस्ट, और मुझे भी दीजिए बिकॉज आई लव वॉचिंग हॉरर मूवीज.
इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल.
Okay, now before starting off the entire session, I told all the friends who are online that a very special guest, a very special person is coming. And why did I say special? Obviously, she is very special because Priyanka, yes, Priyanka has come here because she had given a commitment that Rohan, I will come online with you in live session, and Priyanka is here only because of the commitment, dedication, the professionalism she holds. She has her anniversary today, and it's been 5 years, right? This is the 5th year. So Karan and Priyanka, a very, 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 very happy anniversary, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rohan.
Keep all the health, all the happiness in your family. Meher ko bhi God bless her, because I think aapki family ko और better aura mil chuka hai, and hope you have a lovely time. The only thing that I don't like today is, Priyanka, you have come online without a cake. So ये चीज तो आपको
You can wait. I will just bring and tell Karan also to come.
So Karan, are you working out? Are you Karan आता है कि नहीं sessions में आपके? Is Karan doing a session with you Zumba when you are taking a session?
No, he
No?
just want to do Bhangra. He won't do Zumba.
Super. Bhangra is the best. Bhangra तो बहुत बढ़िया होता है जी, बहुत ही बढ़िया है. So thank you very much, Priyanka. It was so much good talking to you, knowing about what you have done and you have achieved so far. And she doesn't allow to eat cake. It's okay. She will eat tonight, and I will also eat. Everyone will eat. Today is a cheat day. You can have it. Yeah. So thank you so much, Priyanka, to be here.
Thank you so much.
Now, before we close up, before we just go on with the session, एक चीज जो आज मैंने मेरे मैसेजेस पे, मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे बहुत कुछ आया था, तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर दिस विद एवरीवन. Guys, there is a lot of message that I have been seeing that the vaccination from the 1st of May is about to start off, and all the ladies, all the girls who are facing periods during that time, your cycle, your monthly cycle, you can't take the vaccination. So I'm really sorry. I don't know. I'm not a doctor, but I will just tell you one thing. Please don't go on with these kind of messages and post it before understanding the entire details of it, because this is a health thing. And boys, why are you trying to post all these things? Why suddenly you know everything about a girl? You don't know anything, dude. You don't know anything. It is very difficult to give a birth also, so you don't know anything. Boys, please don't post it. Secondly, girls, if at all you think you have something in mind related to vaccination during your monthly cycles, I would suggest please go to your gynec, please go to your doctors, ask them, they will guide you properly. Yeah, please don't just go and put it anything. वैक्सीनेशन आया भी नहीं, सबको सब कुछ पता होता है. एक तो इतने जीनियस लोग हैं ना भाई, मत करो. We all are facing a lot of problems. We need to get out of it. We don't need any more health issues. So boys, firstly, don't post such messages because you don't know anything about girls. Secondly, girls who are posting, you need a gynec certificate. Okay, firstly, to post such things. Secondly, you need to go to a gynec, take a written thing that vaccination is bad. Post that thing. So the girls will take care. Please don't post stupid things. Please, yeah, please. Why do you have to post all these things? And secondly, what I have heard is there are 1,93,000 or 1,94,000 people who have recovered from COVID. There are more than 28 lakhs who have been vaccinated. So it's going good. Let's start posting good posts also. Please, we give all the condolences to all the people who are no more with us. We really feel bad, but please stop posting negative messages now. Yeah, start posting good messages, and that's the reason this session was on. Thank you again, Priyanka. You were lovely as usual. And now Priyanka is there on Insta. Please join her classes if you want to be healthy, if you want to be wealthy. You can directly contact me. Healthy is Priyanka, wealthy is me. So I can guide you guys.
Thank you so
Thank you, Priyanka. Happy anniversary.
Yes.
और 10 बजे we all are gonna have a very beautiful song night, I would say, because our dearest Monty is gonna go live on Facebook. You can dedicate songs. You can go on live with his क्या बोलते हैं, unplugged songs, and let's have a good time now. Please, people, please be safe. Please wear your mask. Anything regarding vaccination, go and consult a doctor. You're not a doctor. Thank you very much. Thank you, DJ Jitu. Thank you, Razak Pardesi. Thank you, everyone who has given your lovely time. And मेरी story बाकी है. So we are coming next Wednesday, and the same time with a very special second person who's gonna give all the struggles of his or her life. Stay tuned. It's my story. What's yours? Keep watching. Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll see you guys. Yeah, we'll play a special anniversary song for Karan and Priyanka, so you have to be there.
Of course. Yes, Monty. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Please take care. Thank you. Lots of love.